Pre-watching task. Answer the questions below. 1. What do you know about how cows are treated in different countries? 2. Why do you think cows might be important in a farming community? 3. Predict. What might be surprising to foreigners about how cows are treated in India? The sacred role of cows in Indian life. In India, where about 1 billion people live, many reside on small farms, leading a quiet, simple life, with the family caring for both the farm and its animals, the cow being the most important due to its dual role of providing milk and aiding in farm work. Farmers, earning little money, rely on cows instead of expensive machines, especially during the rainy months of June through September, when wet, soft ground hinders machinery, but not the cows, which also require no gasoline or repairs. Deeply caring for their cows, farmers ensure their happiness, washing and decorating them during less busy times, with twice-yearly celebrations akin to Thanksgiving in the U.S. While it is illegal to kill cows, leading old ones to roam free in streets where people feed them grass or food, and special hospitals, funded by the government and rich individuals, care for sick or elderly cows. This devotion puzzles people in other countries where governments prioritize human poverty over animal care, yet Indians argue it mirrors American spending on pets, maintaining a tradition of caring for over 200 million cows annually that spans thousands of years.
While watching tasks, A. Decide if the following statements are true or false. 1. Cows are considered sacred in India and can be used for both milk and farm labor. 2. Indian farmers prefer machines over cows for farm work. 3. It is legal to kill cows in India. 4. Farmers do not decorate their cows because they are too busy. 5. There are hospitals for sick and elderly cows in India. B. Choose the best answer. 6. Why are cows preferred over machines during the rainy season? A. Cows walk faster. B. Cows are lighter and don't get stuck. C. Cows drink more water. D. Machines are cheaper. 7. How often do farmers celebrate their cows? A. Once a year. B. Every month. C. Twice a year. D. Only during harvest. Post-watching tasks. A. Discuss the following questions. 1. How is the treatment of cows in India similar to or different from how animals are treated in your country? 2. What are some reasons people might disagree with prioritizing animal care over human poverty? 3. What cultural values are reflected in the way Indian people treat cows? B. Write a short paragraph explaining how cows are more than just animals in Indian society. Use details from the video.